All right. What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another update. This one's going to be a super quick one, guys. I didn't do a lot of filming today because it was just a whole lot of dirty ass mess. We spent the majority of the day cleaning the frame as well as cleaning the rear end. We got a bunch of the parts out. Those went to Jamie over at Aspen Auto. I did chat with him, guys. So for you guys that are out of state, he's in Fountain Hills, Arizona. Dude, he ships the majority of his parts. So hop on his Instagram page. It's Aspen Auto. Go to his website, all that good stuff. Dude, he's got all kinds of parts. Especially, I just gave him the whole front cross member, the whole rear section of the suspension, all that stuff. So he's got a ton of good stuff. Make sure to go check those out. If you guys check him out, if you guys are restoring your C10, he primarily deals with 60 to 66, but he does have some other stuff in there, guys. I went to the yard. It's pretty cool. He's got a bunch of parts. So go check him out. But back to our update. You guys, that sucker is clean. We cleaned inside. We cleaned outside, the top, the bottom, everything on this frame. The rear end is shaved down. We got all those leaf spring brackets out because the chopping block kit will not utilize the mounts that the trailing arms go on. So all in all, good day. A lot of productive work. This whole week has been crazy productive. We took this truck from a running and driving truck to completely disassembled, ready to get cut, and all the stuff installed. So let me flip you around and show you some of the stuff that's gonna get painted as well. You guys are gonna like this stuff. So here we go, guys. We knocked off all of the body mounts, and then those are the core sport mounts. We got the cross member over here. Sorry, it just got all weird. This is the cross member in the very front. That's getting cleaned up. That'll get painted as well. And all of these parts, all the body mounts will get painted. All of the bag mounts, control arms, all of this chopping block stuff, you guys. Check it out. We are dialed, you guys. Let me zoom back out. All of these parts are going to get painted, and we're going with a... Ooh, I don't know if I brought it in the shop. Vintage black paint. So the whole chassis and all of these components are going to be like a semi-gloss black. They're going to look killer. And then as well, when we get the back half, we'll paint the back half and all the components black as well. So like I said, you guys, not a big update. What else? Got a lot of other parts out, but I am out of town this weekend, you guys, so this will be the last update until probably Tuesday evening. I'll be gone Monday, and I'm going to have the guys catch up on some other work in the shop. That way, when I get back, we can record assembling all of this stuff, you guys. The whole front end is ready to go together. Once all that stuff up there on the table is painted and dries over the weekend, it'll start going on Tuesday morning, and then the brakes can go on. All of this stuff can go on rack and pinion. I'm waiting on a couple of wheels that should be here like Monday, Tuesday. So then I can go take those to the tire shop and get the tires put on the wheels, and man, we'll be dialed. So as you guys can tell, I only had the guys clean all the way up to the back of the body mount here because that whole section is going bye-bye. So if anybody's looking for a stock back half, hit me up. I got a bunch of the frame rails and all the cross members still in it. It's honestly not in bad shape. Like I said, I use the surface conditioner. If you want to know how well that surface conditioner works, here's an example, guys. All I did was use the Harbor Freight surface conditioner. This has a different grind pattern because I had to cut the little lip off. But dude, this thing turns out fantastic. And if I had a brand new one, all this stuff would be gone too. I didn't want to run and get a wheel. It's getting painted. As long as it was clean, that's all that mattered. So that's all I got for you guys. And oh, one last update. I think I can't help myself and I want to do it. I'm going to put one of my firewalls in this thing. So I got to do a trans tunnel for how low this thing's going to sit anyways. Might as well do a firewall and knock it out. I think we're also going to do the switch suspension hood hinges too. So some cool updates, guys. One last thing, if you guys are watching this video and you guys have a connect on one more headlight bezel, please shoot me a comment, shoot me an email, let me know what you got. I'm looking for one of those. The grill is otherwise complete. I'm just missing those two. So, yeah, I got the cab. We've got the details worked out on that. I've got a new cab coming. So we are going to big window swap this, and we are going to repair that B pillar. And then we'll go ahead and put the glass from the other cab, because the glass is good on that cab. This one's got some rock chips, and apparently somebody needed an indicator to tell you that it was time to change the wipers. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the seals and the windows on this thing as well, and then put them back in, guys. So be on the lookout for that. That'll happen after all the fab work. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it, all that good stuff. Give you one good outro video, guys. Boom, there's sexy lady. She should be back in rotation here soon. So have a good night, guys. Also, one last thing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. There's my Instagram. And go to my website. Buy some shirts, buy some keychains. If you got a C10, buy some C10 parts. I got all kinds of stuff. Here's an example. Bam, lower door panels, C10. Hit me up. I'll put the website right down here, guys. Enjoy your night. Have a good weekend.